picture is bicycle. Bicycle.
ចឹងរូបបន្ទាប់គឺកង់ កង់ កង់ Hi guys. So today we're going to learn the letter B.
នេះយើងនឹងរៀនអក្សរ B.
B stand for bicycle, stand for boy, B stand for baby, and B stand for everything. Okay. To be all that. Now let's put it in touch.
How many words do we have for B today, guys? Let's count first. But don't forget to like, subscribe, share, and follow.
Okay, so this is the 4 things that you need to do. And check. ទាំងអស់គ្នាត្រូវការចុច like ហើយ subscribe ឲ្យ channel ខ្ញុំផងហើយ share វីដេអូនេះហើយ subscribe ឲ្យបានច្រើនហើយក៏ follow Facebook ដែរអញ្ចឹងបានខ្ញុំចាប់រង្វាន់ឲ្យអ្នកទាំងអស់គ្នាបានតែនអានេះគឺបានប្រអប់ color មួយនេះគឺជាខាងក្នុងវាបើចង់ទិញរីសាមានលក់ដែរទិញមកប្រអប់ color មួយតែ$20ទេនេះគឺជាលេខទូរស័ព្ទនៅខាងក្រោយ So now
let's
wait. This is the letters behind you.
Yeah.
This is the letter behind my sister. You can also see it. If you cannot see the pictures like this. And then you can just like look at the behind me and my sister. So now let's start.
Okay. មុននឹងចាប់ផ្ដើមបើអ្នកមើលឃើញទេនេះជាអក្សរខាងក្រោយខ្ញុំអ្នកអាចមើលបានកុំឲ្យមើល
So now let's get started.
Here you go.
Now let's get started.
នេះជាវាដំបូងតោះឥឡូវយើងចាប់ផ្ដើម
This is letter B. B sound B.
នេះជាអក្សរ B. B មានសំឡេង B.
Baby.
B ទារក B ទារក
So now we're gonna put this picture right here. No, right here.
No, here.
Okay.
Another one. Okay. B sound B. Ball.
អក្សរបន្ទាប់គឺជា B. Ball. B ball.
The next word is អក្សរបន្ទាប់ជា
B. Oh, B. Don't mean the letter B. This is the letter B and this is the animal B. So, don't confuse that.
B នេះជាអក្សរ B មានសំឡេង B នេះជា B ហើយកុំច្រឡំ B មានថាខ្មុំ B. It's like the same.
So now we're gonna put it right here. But and then this is the picture of B. You can also look behind me.
នេះជាថា B អ្នកអាចឃើញភាពក្រោយខ្ញុំបាន Okay guys, the next picture is box. Box.
ទាំងអស់គ្នារូបទៀតរូបមួយទៀតគឺរូបប្រអប់ ប្រអប់
There you go. The next word.
This is the next picture again. Oh yeah. Wait, let me just fix this a little bit.
You can eat it.
So like B, 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 buy. This time it's buy, not ball. So B, B, buy.
នេះជា this is a នេះជាឧបភាពបន្តទៀត b b ទិញ b b ទិញ So the next picture is bicycle b b bicycle
ចឹងរូបបន្ទាប់គឺកង់ B, B, កង់ B, B, កង់
Okay, this is the last word.
B, the next picture is B, 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 bridge. B, B, bridge.
B b spin b b spin.
So guys, now let's read it all out again.
តោះឥឡូវយើងនឹងអានម្ដងទៀតឲ្យលឺ
Baby,
ទាវ ball
ball, bee,
ខ្មុំ
box, prop, buy,
ទិញ bicycle
កង់ bridge.
spin.
So guys, now look, we have 7 pictures of letter B. B stands for 7 things, but we have some more, but there are lots of things, but if we put a lot, this video is gonna be 10 hours.
Yeah.
So that's it guys for this video.
Wait, don't forget to like, subscribe, share and follow. Bye.
Bye, see you next week.